Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common question: how to hide reposts on TikTok. While you can't directly hide individual reposts, there's a way to keep all your reposts private through your profile settings. So, let's dive in and ensure your reposts remain under wraps if you desire. So if we open the TikTok app and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, now tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the settings menu. Scroll down and tap on Privacy. We can see a bunch of options on how to manage our interactions, but there is no option for hiding reposts. But there is an alternative way on how we can hide them. We can enable this private account option at the top. This will make our account private. This means that only people that follow you can see your content that you upload, as well as the video that you repost. Other people that don't follow you cannot see your content and the reposts on your profile. When you make your profile private, you will have the option to accept follow requests from other people. You will have control on who can follow you on TikTok, so you can also have control on who can see your reposts. I know that a private account is not a very good solution, but it's a good alternative. Hope that TikTok adds this option soon. Now you know how to keep your reposts private on TikTok. While the option to hide individual reposts isn't available yet, this method gives you control over who sees what on your profile. Remember, this affects all your reposts, so choose wisely.